Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add people to a Stanstore. So in order to do this, you'll have to follow these steps. The first step is setting up a PayPal business account. If you don't have one, you will need to create a PayPal business account. Go to PayPal's website and click on the sign up for a business account button. Now, complete the registration process by providing the necessary information, including your business details and bank account information. After you have set up your PayPal business account, you'll have to move to the next step, that is, get your PayPal API credentials. Log into your PayPal business account, navigate to Account Setting by clicking on your profile icon. Now, go to the API Access section under Account Setting. Choose Manage API Credentials under MVP/SOAP API integration. Here, you can generate your API username, password, and signature which are required for the integration. Now, the third step is log into your Stanstore account. Access your Stanstore account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to the Payment Method section in your account setting or the dashboard on your Stanstore account. Now coming down to the fourth step, that is adding PayPal as payment method. In the payment method section, select Add Payment Method or a similar option. Choose PayPal from the list of available payment gateways. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal API credentials, that is username, password, and signature that you obtained in the previous step. Now, the fifth step is test the integration. After entering your PayPal credentials, Stanstore may offer an option to test the integration. Run a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Make sure that payments are processed smoothly and that you receive the funds in your PayPal account. Now, coming down to the sixth step, that is activate PayPal for your store. Once testing is complete and successful, save your settings to activate PayPal as payment option on your Stanstore. PayPal should now be listed as an active payment method in your store. Now the seventh step is informing your customers. Because informing your customers that they can now use PayPal to make purchases in your Stanstore can enhance your store sales. This can be done through a store announcement, email newsletter, or on social media. Also, I have some additional tips for you. The first one is be aware that PayPal charges transaction fees. So consider these costs when setting prices for your products or services. Second tip is offering multiple payments options like credit card, PayPal, etc. can improve conversion rates by catering to customer preferences. Now, the last step is ensure that you have provided clear instructions on how customers can use PayPal to make payments, and be ready to assist with any issues they may encounter. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate PayPal into your Stanstore. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.